Mecca, also spelled Makkah, is a city in Saudi Arabia and the holiest city in Islam. It is significant for being the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad and the site of the Kaaba, the most sacred shrine in Islam. Early history. Mecca's history dates back to ancient times. Some accounts trace its origins to the time of Abraham and his son Ishmael, who are believed to have built the Kaaba. Before the rise of Islam, Mecca was a prominent center of trade and pilgrimage, home to various deities and tribal practices. The rise of Islam. Mecca's significance in Islam began with the birth of the Prophet Muhammad in 570 CE. It was here that he received the first revelations of the Quran, the holy book of Islam. The early Muslim community faced persecution in Mecca and eventually migrated to Medina. However, they returned to Mecca in 630 CE, conquering the city and cleansing the Kaaba of idols. Mecca in Islamic tradition. Mecca is the focal point of the annual Hajj pilgrimage, one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Millions of Muslims from around the world gather in Mecca to perform the Hajj rituals, which include circling the Kaaba, praying, and commemorating the events in the lives of Abraham and Muhammad. The Kaaba, located in the Grand Mosque, is the direction of prayer Qibla for Muslims worldwide. Modern Mecca. Mecca has undergone significant development in recent decades to accommodate the growing number of pilgrims. The city has expanded, and modern infrastructure has been built to facilitate the Hajj and Umrah pilgrimages. Despite modernization, Mecca retains its spiritual significance and remains a city of deep devotion for Muslims. Mecca holds a significant place in Islamic history and is considered the holiest city in Islam. Here's a glimpse into its rich past. Early history. Ancient origins. Some traditions trace Mecca's origins back to Abraham and his son Ishmael, who are believed to have built the Kaaba, a central structure in Islam. Pre-Islamic Mecca. Before Islam, Mecca was a bustling center of trade and pilgrimage, home to various deities and tribal practices. The rise of Islam. Birthplace of Prophet Muhammad. Mecca is the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam. Revelation of the Quran. Muslims believe that the Quran, Islam's holy book, was revealed to Prophet Muhammad in Mecca. Early Muslim community. Mecca was where the first Muslim community formed, facing persecution before migrating to Medina. Conquest of Mecca. Prophet Muhammad and his followers eventually returned to Mecca, conquering the city and cleansing the Kaaba of idols. Mecca in Islamic tradition. Center of pilgrimage. Mecca is the destination for the annual Hajj pilgrimage, one of the 5 pillars of Islam, attracting millions of Muslims worldwide. Kaaba as focal point. The Kaaba, located in the Grand Mosque, is the direction of prayer Qibla for Muslims around the globe. Spiritual center. Mecca is considered the spiritual heart of Islam, a place of deep devotion and connection for Muslims. Modern Mecca. Expansion and development. Mecca has undergone significant expansion and